I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to speak a little bit about the firm's mission here at Alcock Associates. So I started the firm over 20 years ago, and I started with the idea that by giving world-class customer service, by really getting to know clients and have relationships with them, that the firm could grow and could succeed and do well. And it has. And I have never wavered and I've never moved away from that philosophy. And it's been a very, very interesting journey, and it's been tough to bring in people who are committed, who are truly committed to communicate with their clients and build relationships and give of themselves. And that is what I have been all about from day one, minute one, and the whole way through. I've just tried to build a team of lawyers and paralegals who want to reach out to their clients and want to involve the clients in every decision about their case. And it's a lot harder to do it that way, let me tell you. It's much, much harder to involve clients, but it's the right thing to do. And it also has limited the firm in some ways. You know, the firm could be quite a bit bigger, but I want to make sure that if a client wants to speak to me, if a client wants to reach out to me, that they can, and that I can be really on a first name basis with all of my employees, and I can know exactly what's happening with the cases and really manage the firm. So I'm happy that we have two offices. I'm happy that we've got a group of attorneys that are absolutely committed to really developing relationships, not only with our clients, but also with the courts. So like, for example, in misdemeanor court, we have one attorney who practices in one geographic area. So they're only going, for example, to the west side, or they're only going to the East Valley courts, only for misdemeanors. And I know in other firms, they'll have somebody going to Tucson one day, and then they'll go to federal court another day, and then city court another day. And I want to have my attorneys have relationships with the prosecutors and the judges and really get to know them so we can leverage those relationships on behalf of our clients. For immigration cases, for example, I want to limit the number of clients that we have for every attorney. And every attorney is assigned their own paralegal, so that there's no diffusion of responsibility, and there's no, well, I told John to do that and Mary said to do this. No, it's what we want to have is a stable team that is servicing a really finite and manageable group of clients. That way they can get to know each other. That way they can really develop the relationships that are necessary to get a positive result in immigration. Same thing goes for personal injury. We want to make sure that no one is overburdened in the system and that we've gotten to know who we are representing. That really is what the firm is all about, and I think that you will experience it if you give us a call, and you'll see that this is a place that's not about the sales pitch. It's about I want to get to know you and your situation. It's not a situation where you're just going to be moved through the system. You're going to be a person, and we're going to treat you like a friend and ally throughout your representation. So if you want to experience that, you can give us a call. 602-989-5000 is the number, 602-989-5000. You can also text us at 602-883-8888.